Is your iPhone stuck on the update screen and won't move no matter how long you wait? Here are the top 3 ways to fix it with or without a computer. First, try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up, then the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This won't erase anything, it just forces the phone to reboot. Next, if that doesn't work, connect your iPhone to a computer, on a Mac with Finder or on a Windows PC with iTunes. Put your phone into recovery mode, then choose Update instead of Restore. It'll try to reinstall iOS without deleting your data. And finally, if you cannot access a computer or that didn't help, you may need to use Erase All content and settings from the phone itself, but only if it boots past the stock screen eventually. Once you get in, head to Settings, then scroll down and tap on General, then scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Then follow the on screen steps, but remember, this will delete everything unless you have a backup. Hope this helped, and if it did, like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.